Say, hi, Mrs. Stoughton.
Hi, Mrs. Stoughton.
Today I'm cooking.
Today you're cooking
What's it called?
is cook, hot, chicken, and noodles.
Chicken and noodles. So what's our first step?
We're
We're going to open these. Can you try to open it?
Yep,
You're
there.
going to open it with your finger. Look, I'll do one and you do one. We'll do it together. Ready? Lift it up like this. Right here. You got to put your finger right there. It's really hard. You got to be strong.
Hey, Mom, what's this?
Uh-oh. Here. Want me to help a little?
Mm-hmm.
Look, now try it. Oops, let's put this here so I can see you better. There, that's better. Okay, now turn it this way. Turn it around and put your thumb here and your finger in the hole and pull. Try again. Show me. Nope, other hand. And we're going to pull really hard. Like that. Now pull it this way. All the way off. Did it. Can you take it all the way off? Because it's sharp. Oh, that one is tough. Got it. Okay, dump it in the bowl.
Yes, Mom.
There's mine.
And then mother.
Shake it.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes we have to use a spoon to get it to come out. There it goes. That's a funny noise, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we can use this to scrape it. Oh yeah, we need to scrape yours, don't we?
Phew.
This is an easy peasy recipe for yummy chicken and noodles, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're gonna do this one, and we have to use a can opener.
Oh, yeah.
What's this called?
Come over here.
Okay, so how do we do it? Do you know how? You want to try?
I know that's right.
You can do it? Okay.
Hey, Mom, let's do this.
Open wide, and then click it on. Squeeze tight.
Wait.
Squeeze! Let's see. Got it. Okay. Hold it together. Hold it together with one arm. And turn. Good job. Yeah, it's going to use your hand muscles.
Bonus.
You keep doing a good job, Miss Stoughton. Look how strong I am.
Oh.
Getting all the way around.
Yep.
Keep going. You want to help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you hold it and I'll turn. Ready? Oh. It's not working. Here, let me try. It came off.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes we have to start over. There. See? Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think we're going to do with this? What happens next?
Whoa.
It splashed, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, what is that? It looks like corn, but it's fat. It's chicken fat. Okay, dump it in and stir everything together. Very careful. Hey, use your stirring.
Got it.
What's this called? Remember?
Wool.
Whisk.
Wait.
Whisk. We whisk it all together.
No, look.
Yep. That good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see. Let me check it. Yes.
Oh, hey, kitty.
Get all that mixed together. Okay.
How did it go?
You saying hi to your kitty?
Yeah.
But kitties can't cook, can they? No cats
No
allowed when we're
way.
cooking. Okay, this looks good. Guess what you get to do next, Sean? Let's push this over here. What's this called?
This is
Tell the camera.
This is Cucumber.
Celery.
Celery.
Okay. So we need our knife. Where's our big knife? Let's use one of these. Okay. I'm gonna cut off the yucky part. Okay. And you can do it one at a time if you want. Watch Mom how big it is. See? There are little pieces, right? Okay. You cut up all that. Make little pieces. Okay, we're gonna pause it. Time to put everything in the crock pot. First goes
Chicken.
chicken. Right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, Sean. Now put the celery. Oh, get them all in there. Pick them up off the counter, please. All right, don't blow on it. No, that's germs, remember? Okay. So you can use your fingers. Okay, get those pieces. Another piece. Okay. And last is this. Okay, ready? Can you do it? It's heavy.
Got it.
All right. Pour it in. All the way in. Okay, now put on the lid.
Head down.
Okay. Okay. Sean, and now you see, whoops. See the button?
Oh, yep.
We want to put it on low.
I got it.
One more. Good job. Okay, say, see you in 6 hours.
It's 6 hours, Miss Donaldson. Peace.